So guys, now we'll be looking at our USD card, USD Swiss franc, and also New Zealand dollar to our USD. So once again, if you are new and you've not subscribed, just click on the subscribe button and we will get started. Today is 7th of September, by the way, and we are still in our London section. So we very much likely want to predict where our price will be moving for the day, possibly close for the day. So I did analysis on our Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY. Check the channel, you can watch it. So if you are interested in it, now let's take a look at our USD card. We will start with our weekly time frame. By the way, we all can see of recent move. I think this was around 2020. This was 2021, about April 2021. Let's see, it's around 30 of April, by the way. Since last year, we've actually been going bullish on our USD card, which means our USD itself is actually on a bullish move. So our USD to our card is actually on a bullish move. Couple that is on the technical aspect of it. Couple with the fact that the fundamental says we would also be going bullish. Reason is that an interest rate said there won't be any stop on the increase on an interest rate on the fundamental aspect of it, which means once an interest rate is being increased, which means our USD will go bullish, which means the USD itself will be stronger compared to any other pairs. You can see it on our correlation pairs, our Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. See that this all these pairs relating to our USD has actually been dropping while the USD itself is going bullish. So now USD card, we are actually on a bullish move, so we would actually want to go with it since last year April. This is actually an impulse move and a correction we've actually been having. So we are now on a level here. Let's take it. We'll be seeing. Let's take it as a level here. This was an ice that was made here. We had a correction here. Another ice that was made here, which broke our previous higher ice here on the weekly time frame. Then a correction was made, so we've now had another ice here. We are expecting this ice we are having on our USD card to actually break above this ice. So basically weekly time frame, we are to be going bullish. If we are to trade on the weekly time frame standpoints, we are to actually go long on our USD card. See it this way, this our price is now at this level. What are we going to be expecting once there's an impulse move around this level here? We should actually be expecting possibly a correction here, a little bit of a correction at this scale level, then a breakout will occur, which means that breakout will go bullish to break out our previous higher highs. This type of move we are all expecting on our weekly time frame. Now to actually try and predict where our price will be going, we will actually go down to our daily time frame. So daily time frame, this was an impulse move, a correction was made, another impulse move here, a correction, an impulse move was made here. We saw this ice, then a little bit of a correction. So on this day time frame standpoint, we are actually waiting for another ice again that will break this ice here, coupled with the fact that we want to see it break this ice also. So this is actually a level here whereby our price is very much like reacting to. Now see it this way, guys. So I want it to be very easier for you. This was actually a level here, right? So price has come to this level. We are expecting, since we are expecting our USD to go bullish against our USD card, we should see our price rally to that level. Now once we see that price rally to that level, we tend to see a pullback at that level. So once we see a rally to that level, we tend to see a pullback right to our previous key level where we had a pullback. We had a pullback at this level. So our price reaches up to this our highs here. So we had a pullback. After this pullback, we are expecting a bullish move again on our USD card to break above this highs. So that is an indication that our USD itself will go bullish, and we can see it on the daily time frame today. Our price has actually opened and closed green. The price has not even closed. Market is still open for trading, by the way. So we will still go bullish again. This is an indication that tomorrow also we would also open and close bullish on our USD card. So have that in mind. USD card, we will open and close bullish, and also tomorrow too we'll also be expecting bullish. Now to actually enter this trade, we would run down to our 4 time 4 hour analysis. So if you want to enter this trade, you want to go long at that breakout, then what I would advise is that wait for this breakout at this level, which is about 1.3 to 100. Like I said again, 1.3 to 100. Once the price can actually break above it, then you see a bullish, then we can enter to go long on USD CAD. So this is an impulse move you can see here. We should be expecting a little bit of correction if we just add. So we should be expecting another impulse move. It depends on where you are watching it. So the London's New York section, by the time open of New York section, at least we should have possibly break up, should have broken above it, which I believe will be having anytime soon. So see a rally movement upward, try and break this highs on our USD CAD. So then you can actually now enter the trade by, that is if you want. And if you want now, currently if you are watching it, you can actually enter go long, by the way, since our USD CAD will actually be going long. Now let's take a look at our USD Swiss franc, by the way, weekly time frame. Let me try and put this. I would love to put our weekly time frame is about slowing. So let's take a look at it on our daily time frame. So weekly time frame can't open. So let's align some key levels here. This is actually a level here. When our price pushes up, it's come back, give us a pullback at this area here. We saw the price reacted to this area, it's dropped, and now this price has reacted to this area, it will drop. See, that is it. If you have to look at this trend now, right, we would actually expect it to drop right on our USD Swiss franc, but the fundamental aspect of it says our USD will go bullish, because an increase in interest rates means the US dollar will get stronger. Any pairs we are trading into will actually fall, so our USD will go bullish while the Swiss franc will go bearish. Now that is it on the daily time frame technical aspect of it. There was a huge impulse move was made there, right? A little bit of correction was made there. Another huge impulse move was made there, and we are seeing a little bit of a correction here. So on this technical aspect of it, we are expecting a huge impulse move upward. At least we should be aiming to take out this highs on our USD Swiss franc. Let's aim to take out this highs on our USD Swiss franc. So that is an indication that we are to go bullish. Now, second of it is that our price is above our 10-period moving average. So once we are trading and price is above 10-period moving average, you should actually look to go long. Once you want to trade the opposite of it, there's every likelihood for you to fail. So in order to trade what we are seeing and not what we think, we should actually look to go long on our USD Swiss franc on our for the day. So now today we can see that there is a movement upward here. Let's start it from here. There was a pullback at this level here, so we had an impulse move, and we are having a pullback at this level because this is also a key level area where we are expecting our price to drop. So we tend to have a pullback at a key level, kind of a key level area, especially when you go to historical data, you check it, you see that there are some reaction to certain level there. So of recent level, we are seeing a reaction to it, so we are now expecting a breakout from it. So basically yesterday we opened and closed bullish. Today too we are also open, we've actually opened bullish, and possibly our price has not yet even closed, by the way. So we still have a long way to go on our daily time frame. So those of you that want to enter this trade on this USD Swiss franc on a daily time frame standpoint, then we have to wait for a breakout around this highs. I think we should go to our 4-hour time frame for better understanding. This is for 4-hour time frame. So kind of our 4-hour time frame, we are seeing like a ranging move around here. We are seeing kind of a ranging move around here, right? So basically, let's see if our price can actually break above this level. Let's call it 0.98700. Once price breaks above 0.98700, then go long. It is now time to go long. As of now, if you want to trade it, then I'll say trade it the way we are seeing it, which is ranging move. range with our USD Swiss franc, by the way. So once our price gets to this resistance level, we tend to see drop to this support level as we want to be ranging. After support level, we want to also see it rally up to this our resistance level, except the price pushes up and break above our 0.98700, then we can now go long on USD Swiss franc. So 1 hour time frame. So see the same thing, by the way. So we're expecting a drop on our 1 hour time frame. So this our resistance, this is to our support level. So our support level, like I said, we want to range with what our price is doing. We saw this level, support level here was push up. Another support level, we saw this price came to this level and pushes up. So we are expecting our price to drop to this support level, then a rally movement upward. So those of you might be saying, oh, but see this bullish move you're having here, I've seen this as a pullback on the 1 hour time frame. See, an impulse move was made here, a little bit of a correction. Another impulse move. This is a good amount of impulse move down. We should be expecting a correction here. After the correction, then we should be expecting another impulse move downward to our support level. So USD Swiss franc, we should actually range with it, except the price breaks above 0.98690. Then we can now jump in. And lastly, we'll be looking at is our New Zealand USD. We all see the news again. The news says increase in interest rates, which means the US dollar will keep getting stronger compared to any other currency pair. So New Zealand is actually dropping to our USD on the technical aspects of it. We all see the weekly time frame, impulse move downward, a correction here. There was an impulse move. We saw this correction here. Even this correction will fail to break above this highs, this previous lower highs here. So another correction was made here. So that is an indication that we are actually going short on our New Zealand USD. See it, by the way, this lows have broken below this previous lower lows. So price has broken below this previous lower lows. So a confirmation again that our New Zealand to USD is going, we have to short it. So if you want to trade on the weekly time frame standpoint, then short this New Zealand USD. Now to our daily time frame, we would want to see where our price will be going. There was an impulse move, we all can see it here, a correction, another impulse move, we add a correction here. So we've had another impulse move. So very soon we'll be having a correction. I believe we'll be having a correction. Could it be tomorrow on the 8th or the 9th? Then it's something we can't really predict. But if you want to jump in this trade, wait for a correction. After a correction, then jump to short this our New Zealand USD. So basically, this is a price reacted to this level, is why I highlighted this level here. Also see that price also reacted to this level. Once it came to this level, it pushes up. So we've now broken below it. So once we are having that correction, we should see that correction rally out to this level again and another break below it on our New Zealand USD. So New Zealand USD, we are going bearish, but a pullback is about to happen. So watch out for it. Don't just jump in and short it. A pullback is about to happen, so watch out for it, so you will not be taken out of the trade. Now let's see it on our 4-hour time frame, if you can spot it. I think on the 4-hour time frame, we are actually having the pullback, by the way. So once the pullback is over, you can short it. See this huge impulse move down. See the 4-hour time frame, it has actually been bearish, and now a pullback is occurring. So we are still have a little bit of a movement upward, then a drop. So like we said on our daily time frame, we predicted pullback is about to occur, and it is actually happening in our 4-hour time frame. Sooner or later, it will appear on our daily time frame. So 4-hour time frame, we would want to place this trade, and we are seeing a pullback. So wait till our pullback is over, then short this New Zealand USD. Same thing with our 1-hour time frame. So basically, see the 1-hour time frame, by the way, see it, we are having a good amount of movements. The pullback, which is a bullish move, we are expecting. See this little bit of a push up, then we have a little bit down, then a push up again, breaking above this highs here. So we are having a little bit of a pullback. Once we add this little bit of a pullback, then we would actually see that rally up. So it depends. If you want to trade this rally up, then fine. But I'll say go to short this New Zealand USD, by the way. So wait for a pullback is over. But if you want to trade the pullback, then it's fine. You can jump in. And that is the analysis for the day. So thank you. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.